Alright, the next one is going to be $20 shipped. It's going to be all stamps again. And this one consists of Saturated Canary, Sketchy. Never used it. Crafter's Companion, another one. This one is Best Teacher. I thought I would use this, but my kids are grown, so they don't do school anymore. But my grandkids are not really old enough to do all that yet. And whenever they do, I'll just get another kind of stamp. But Best Teacher, I haven't used it. It's not mounted yet. And then this is a Stampendous large tag, clean large tag, and it's distressed. So you stamp it out and it looks like that and just cut it out. Alright, and this one is a Tanner Bell Designs Hello Hexagons. This is a cool stamp. I've used it a couple of times. It's a clear stamp, and some of the ones are solid and some have designs in them. So that's pretty cool. It's a full-size stamp for a card or something. And then I have a Lawn Fawn, Just My Type. I think I've used no, I haven't even used this one. No, haven't used it. Just My Type, clear stamp. Photopolymer. Alright. Again, $20 shipped. And if you would like this, it's US shipping only. Friends and family PayPal. And just let me know in the comments if you'd like it, and I'll get it out. Thanks a lot. Bye.